Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add track you find on Instagram to Spotify. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my phone and first of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to try to find a track from Instagram. I'm going to go to the search menu right here and I'm just going to pick random reel and I'm going to add track from this Instagram reel to my Spotify. I'm going to select the music. Okay, and here you will find this option guys, and you will be able to add this track to your Spotify playlist. I'm just going to click on add. Okay, and we have to connect our Instagram account with Spotify, so we can select the link Spotify. Okay, and wait for a moment, it's still loading. Make sure you have logged into your Spotify, and I'm going to click on agree. Okay, and now the track has been added to my Spotify playlist. And I'm just going to go to my Spotify and check it, guys. Wait, this is my Spotify. And the song will be added to the liked song playlist on Spotify. If you want to find the track or the song we have added, we can go to the liked song playlist. We can go to our library and then select the liked songs. And as you can see, this is the track we have just added to the Spotify. And then I'm going to go back to my Instagram and try to add one more song to my Spotify. Wait, I'm going to try to find a song from Instagram. I'm gonna go with this one, guys. I'm gonna click on the song and click on add. Okay, now the song has been added to my liked song playlist on Spotify, and I'm going to go back to my Spotify and check it. Wait, I'm going to go to my liked songs. Okay, as you can see guys, that the track or the song from the Instagram reel has been added to this liked song playlist. Okay guys, and that's how we can add track we find on Instagram to Spotify playlist. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.